Hello everyone, welcome to ACE online class and this is Narendra. One more day, one more quant class. And today the specialist we are going to discuss this RBI Assistant 2020. By mistake I wrote 2022. This 2020, the entire paper. We will try to discuss the entire paper, including the number series and data interpretations and simplifications and all. Right? So let's begin here. But before I begin, I would like to bring it in your notice that we are going to start the banking exam. This is about the SSC CGL Tier 1 examinations. So we got a overwhelming response. There are 350 hours recorded videos. The people are appreciating it. And then all is recorded by the experienced faculty from the very basic to the advanced level of it. And then that is an online test and one-to-one mentorship will be there. And that too in our own platform, that the ACE Online has own platform. Then the next is the live doubt clarification on that platform. So moving forward, we have the three courses, three segments, that is 3 months course, 6 months course and 12 months course, and these are. So with this, I will start the today's topic. So I can see that Chandra Kumar Reddy, very good morning. Ram Kumar, very good morning. Anusha, very good morning. And your first question on the board is here. And this is about the number series. So we will discuss all the 35 questions of the RBI Assistant of 2020. Okay. So these all are the questions on the serial wise. So you can see that number series 3, 8, 18, 72 and so on and so forth. It looks like multiplication because look at the way the number has shoot up from 2000 to 15,000. Your time starts now, 30 seconds. Now answer the question, my young friends. All the RBI Assistant 2020 paper, the entire paper we will discuss today. Come on, Sumit Pawar ji, namaste. Aapko bhi namaste, sir. Chaliye, answer kijiye. Now answer it. It's based on multiplication is very clear. Now, Chandra Kumar Reddy is saying that option B, 8 is the answer. Option B, 8 is the answer. So, time is up. Let me check the answer. That's right. That's right, Chandra Kumar Reddy. So what did you notice here? I noticed that it's a multiplication based question. So what is the multiplication? It is easy to identify the sequence from the bigger number than the smaller number. So what I do is here, that is how many times? 6 times. So that's 0 and 6 to 12 carry 1 and 6 to 12 carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 6 to 12 plus 1 is 13. So am I getting this multiplication? Can I go for 7 times? So can I go for 7 times over here? Let's check that what happens if you go for 7 times into 7. Then this 0 and 7 6 is 42 carry 4 and 7 plus 4 is 11 carry 1 and 14 plus 1 is 15. That's right. So if this is into 6, my work is done. So that is 0 and 6 36 carry 3 and 18 plus 3 is 21. That's done. So it should be 5. It should be finding out the wrong number. So it should be 4 and it should be 3. It should be 2. That's over. So here 3 into 2, it should be 6 and 6 3 is 18. Done. So nicely done it. So nicely, most of you, Ram Kumar, beautifully done it. Second question on the board is here. We will discuss all the 35 questions of RBI Assistant Prelim for 2020. Second question is on the board. So, question 37. That's 4, 8, 24, 62, 124. It could be an addition based. It could be addition based. The way the number is increasing. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, my friends. So sometimes we will discuss the whole paper of the previous question. Sumit Pawar ji, इसका आंसर बताइए. आपकी 30 seconds start हो गई है. Come on. Now it looks like addition because the rate of increase is very low. So answer this, Chandra Kumar. Chandra Kumar Reddy. Answer this, my friend. I am looking at your comment. So 30 seconds is over. In the meanwhile, I will work out and see what happens. As I said that the sequence suggests it's a addition based question. So I will check that here it is plus 4 and all are plus, and here it is plus 16. Am I right? And from to here 4 to is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3 plus 3, this is 38. Achha, okay, from here to here, that is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 6, 62, and from here to here it is 0, and it is 0, and here 1, I notice that, and from here to here 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1, 144. So I notice that this is 12 square, this is 10 square, so it should be 9 square. 12, 10, this should be 8 square, then this should be 6 square, then this should be 4 square and 2 square. I notice 2 square, 4 square is there, so here mismatch. Anyone answer the question? 62. That's great. That's great. 62. Well done. So all I notice that here the square, so apply it. The next question on the board is this. The 5 question was there, all are RBI assistant of 2020. Now, look at what is happening over here, 440, I hope it is clear, 440, 450 and so on and so forth. The rate of increase is very, very low. So, it is possible that it's an addition based question. Your 30-second starts now. Come on. Come on, I'm sure you will be able to answer the question. I'm sure Mr. Sheikh, you will be able to answer the question. Chandrasekhar Reddy has already answered the question, 508. Option A, let me check that option A is correct. Even the 12 second is still left. Oh my God, Pawan, what a wonderful response, sir. So you notice that this is plus 10 and you notice that there is plus 25. From here to here it is plus 10, am I right? And from here to here 15 plus 8 is 23. From here to here it is how much? Plus 12, and from here to here it is plus 25. So what are this addition, where the sequence is getting wrong? So I notice that plus 10 over here, and again here it is plus 10. So it could be plus 10. Then it is it 25? Then there must be a wrong over here. So plus 10 plus 25, plus 10 plus 25, plus 10 plus 25. So the wrong number is 508. Well done, sir. All my young friends. Next question on the board is here. So this is all RBI Assistant 2020 Prelim. 2, 9, 28, 126, 219. It also looks like addition. Your time starts now. Do it, my young friends. Do it. So it could be an addition, or it could be either on the square or cube based. I gave the hints to you. Either square or cube based, or it's an addition. Who answers first? 3%. Who answers first? Come on. I am looking at the another screen where I can see your comment. Now Chandrasekhar Reddy once again says it is 9. So it is 9. Oh my God. What a wonderful answer. What a wonderful answer. But let me check whether it is right or not. Anusha says option A. Okay, time up. Let me check that. It is 219. It is 219, Mr. Sheikh, Mr. Sumit Pawar, Mr. Chandrasekhar. It is, how is it? So what I notice is, I know one number closer to this, that is 27, and 125, 216, 343. You know these all numbers. Now you know that this is 8 and 1. All are the cubes, except over here, that's 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, then 3 cube plus 1, then 5 cube plus 1, and here it is 6 cube plus 1. No, so 290 is wrong number. So some of you have nicely answered the question, and Vimal, Vamsi, so nice, sir. Next question on the board is this. Answer it, and let's see the pattern here. 159, 156, 51, 44, and the descending order, and a very low. So this is the original question of the RBI Assistant of 2020 Prelim. Now your time starts now. Come on, answer the question. Question looks like very easy. So in the exam, the questions will be easy in the prelim level. We will also discuss the main level questions. Now, what's the answer? 125 you are saying? Who has said 125? Chandrasekhar Reddy says 125. Option D. Still 10 seconds is there on the board. Still 10 seconds is there on the board. So, Mr. Sheikh said 125. Okay. Time up, and 125. That's great. That's right. So how is it? I notice that here minus 3 is there, here minus 5 is there, and here how much is minus 6? Minus 7 is there. So did you notice that these all are the odd numbers? So that's 3, 5, 7. The next one, let's check that whether 9 is there or not. So yes, 9 is there. So the next one, it should be 11. So 125 is the wrong number. Next question is here on the board. Answer it, my young friends. So from here the 5 questions of number series is over. Now here it's a arithmetic questions, 5 questions of arithmetic of RBI Assistant Prelim 2020. What is this question? The average of 10 members is 45. If the average of first 4 numbers were 35, the average of 10 is 45. This is the average, and the average of the first 4. It says first 4 average is how much? 35. I'm just writing the fact which is there, and the last 4 average is how much? 25. So you are asked to find out the average of the remaining 2 numbers. Your time starts now. Come on, my friends, answer it. So you says 105. 105. Can you see that this RBI prelim PO of clerk of 2020 house easy questions where you all people are able to answer the question, even Sai Kumar Gupta? Still 13 seconds is over left. Yes, 105, 105. Anyone else? 105. Sai Kumar is keep. Sumit Pawar, 105. Let me check that. Your time is up, and let me check 105 means which option is that? Option D. Yeah, that's right. Now option D is your answer, sir. So what you do is, there is a 2 way to answer the question. Direct calculation. The alternate way is the overall average is 45. You can see that this average is less. How much less? That is 10 less. For how many numbers? 4. For 4 numbers. So my overall average, remaining 2 numbers average will be more. The base average, that is 45 plus that is 40. So this is less, therefore here it is more. So I am not getting into the fundamental now. So coming to this part, this is 20 less. So if the average is 20 less, the total will be how much less? 20 into 4, 80. So if this is less, this will be more. 80 divided by how many numbers I am looking for? For 4 numbers here. So 120 divided by 4, which is 30. So my answer should be 45 plus 30. It comes how much is that? 75. No. Okay, this is the overall average, right? So we are going to add here 4 into 10, that is 40. And we are 20 into 4, that is 80. And that's 80, 120. So 120 when divided by 2. 2 numbers are there, no? So it should be divided by 2. It should be divided by 2. So when you divide by 2, you are getting 60. So once you get the 60 over here, so replace this one by 60. You people beautifully answer the question. The overall is 105. This is another way to answer the question. So whichever method you feel, you follow it. Next question on the board is here. Let's work out here. What is this question? These all are the RBI clerk prelim of 2020. The difference between the downstream and the upstream speed is 6 km per hour. I will take that downstream speed as A and upstream speed as B. So the difference is given as 6. Now the speed of the boat in still water is 5 times the speed of the current. So we have the X to Y ratio is given to us. What is that X to Y ratio? X is the speed of the boat and Y is the speed of the current. So speed of the boat is 5 times of the speed of the stream. Okay, so now the next one, it says that what is the time taken by the boat to cover 54 km downstream? 54 km downstream. Your time starts now. Let's practice it, my friends. Let's practice it. It's all area. Let me see how many of you can answer the question. Pawan has already said it is 3 hours. Okay, Mr. Sheikh. So you are feeling comfortable. So prelim level will be like that, sir. The only thing is it's the time which matters. So still 6 seconds is there on the board. Let me just wait. Chandrakumar Reddy. So 3 hours, 3 hours. Time up, 3 hours means option choice E. Let's see that option choice E is right. Well done, sir. Well done. So that means you have a lot of clarity about how to handle this question. So you know that A minus B is there. What is A? That is 5 plus 1. That is 6x. So I am answering that question 6x. This is the downstream. What is the upstream? That is B. So that is 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4x. So and this speed is given to us as 6. That means 2x is equal to 6. Then x is equal to 3. And once x is equal to 3, then what is your speed of the boat? That is 15. And here it is 3. So how much time it will take to cover 54 kilometer in which directions? Downstream. So downstream means sum of this is 18. So you are getting 3 hours. So nicely answer the question. All are the SBA RRB assistant 2020 prelim questions. The next question starts here. Yes, 3. That's right. That's right. Now, come to this question. A shopkeeper gives 20% discount on a book and he earns a profit of 33.1/3%. 20% discount. He earns a profit of 33.1/3. Now, the cost price of the book is 750 and the profit is 33.1/3%. So, what is the discount given on the book? That's all. Your time starts now. Come on, my friends. 1 hour, a sincere practice, and I am sure you will be getting benefited out of it. Now, 250, Mr. Aman. Very good morning, Mr. Aman. 215. Within no time, Aman answer the question. Still 15 seconds is there. Still 50 seconds is there. 15. 10 seconds. Okay. Sai, 250. See that how many people are able to answer the question. Now, Pawan says 150, 250. The time is going to up. And those who said that Pawan has said 150. What is 150? 150 is your option choice B. Let me check that. It is A, 250. It is 250. So nicely answered, Chandrakumar Reddy. Nicely answered, Mr. Gupta. So how do we answer the question? I know the cost price. I know the cost price is 750. I know that 1/3 is the profit. Can I get the selling price? Yes. 750 as 1/3 is the profit. That means 1 plus 1/3, 4/3 will be the selling price. So 4/3, this is what the selling price is. So what is that selling price? In this selling price, what is the discount? The discount is 20% on the mark price. That means this discount, this selling price is 80%. From this 80%, I need to find out the discount. That means I need to find out 20% out of this 80%. So if you are understanding that part, I need 20% out of this selling price 80%. That's over, my friend. The rest part is a basic calculation. Look at this one. This gets cancelled 4 times. There's 480. And here it gets cancelled. 150 is the discount. 150. Option choice B. Option choice B. What is the discount given over here? So that is 250. Here this is 250. That's it. That's the only thing. In the prelim you get at this level. Only that it says speed. Next question on the board is here. Come on. Just practice it. 1 hour I am considering that I am working with you. We all are practicing on the question. What is this question is? I am just giving the same sequence wise as RBI assistant clerk prelim, RBI assistant prelim of 2020 was there. So the ratio of the present age of A and B is 4:3 and C is 3 years younger than B. Is it younger? Yes. And the difference between the present age of A and B is 5 years. See that how easy this question is. Now then what is C's age? 12 years hence. Your time starts now. Answer it. Consider it as a practice. 1 hour a concrete practice for previous year paper. So Chandrasekhar Reddy has already said 22. Sai Kumar 22. Now Sheikh 24, 22. Let me check that answer. Let me check the answer here. What is the answer? Option C. Option C means 24 years. 24 years, my young friend, Sai Kumar Gupta. Look at this one, sir. How easy this one? I know the A and B ratio is 4:3 and the difference is 5. That means one part is 5. So what is the C's age I need? The C's age is how many years younger? 3 years younger than B. So what is the B age? 3 part. One part is 5 years, then 3 part is 15 years. And 15 minus how many years younger? 3 years younger, that is 12. And you are asked that then C's age 12 years hence. So 12 years hence means 12 plus 12, which is nothing but 24 years. By mistake, option C and option E both are 24. So it does not matter. Your answer matters. Correct answer matters, 24. That's right. Next question on the board is here. Now, come on, my friends. What is this question? It is about the train. A train X traveling at 12 meter per second and another train Y is traveling in a opposite direction with a speed of 90 km per hour is nothing but 25 meter per second. So that is, you are expected to know the conversion part. So the next part is in 12 seconds. So find the length of X which is 3 times the length of Y. Your time starts now. I'm sure a concrete revision 1 hour previous paper. Come on. The next time I will bring the main prelim main question, so that will be little tougher. But still practice it. 1 hour per day. What's your answer? What's your answer? What is the length of train? What is the length of train Y? And what is said the length? Find out the length of train X, which is 3 times the length of Y. Anyone answer the question? No. Option C. Let's check that option C is right, sir. Yeah, you are right. You are right. Right. Everyone is right. And I can see that Rajala Subba Reddy. So, okay, Subba Reddy, welcome to the ACE online class, sir. Let's move on. How do we answer this particular question? I already know that 12 meter per second and 25 meter per second, it takes 12 seconds. So what is the relative speed when we are moving on opposite direction? 12 plus 25, that comes 37 meter per second. And they cross each other in how many seconds? 12 seconds. So I get how much length here? X is 3 times of Y. So this length is 4x. What is my requirement? My requirement is the length of Y. Now, what I need to find out in the question? Find the length of train X, which is 3 times of. That means I need the 3x. So already you have the 4x, you can find out the 3x. Okay, wonderful, my friends. So nicely you people are working. These are prelim level question of RBI Assistant 2020. So this gets cancelled 3 times. Then XX gets cancelled 339 and 7 is 63, carry 6 and 3 is 27 plus 6 is 33. So rightly said, your option choice is C. Well done. So the next question on the board is here. Let's move on. This is about the data interpretation. Now, no examination is there without the data interpretation in present day competitive exams. So what is this data? So sometimes we need to discuss this too, sir. I am just taking the RBI previous paper. Now, given that the line graph shows the number of metal chairs and plastic chairs sold in 5 different weeks. Read the information carefully and answer the question. So 2 types, one is metal chair, the other one is plastic chair. So this is metal chair, the small sign, and the plastic chair, this is the bigger one. So this is what the plastic chair, plastic, and this is metal chair. Of the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5 days, 5 days, yeah, 5 days is there. So first you need to write down these numbers, and then we can answer the question. How do I write the number here? This is 220. Here it is how much? Now look at the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5 gap is there. How much gap is there here? 10. That is 1 gap indicates 2. So the similar way I already noted down over here for your reference. Now this is your first question. What is the question? Find the difference between the chairs sold on Monday and on Wednesday. chairs sold. Your time starts now. Answer it, my friend. Without DI, you will not be able to clear the exam, because when you go to the main exams, there will be at least 3 to 4 DI will be there. Now answer it. Tomorrow last date. Okay, RRB. Answer it, 10 seconds is there. Answer it. You are saying 7. Okay, that's great. Option B, Bombay. Option D. Okay, Subba Reddy, doing well. The time up, let me check that. Option D, that's right, 7. So it's so simple. Data interpretation at the initial level, prelim level will be very simple. So what I notice is on Monday, so here I already purposefully placed the number over here, that is 448, because sometimes when you are watching in the mobile, it is difficult to notice the numbers here. And the next one, it is on Wednesday. So what is on Wednesday? So these two figure, that is 455. So 455, what is the difference between these two? 7 is the difference. You have rightly answered. Option D is your answer. Next question on the board is here. Let's look at the question here. The total plastic chairs sold on Tuesday and Friday together. Is what percentage more or less than the metal chair sold on Wednesday and Friday together? Your time starts now. There 30 seconds is there. Answer it, consider it, it's a humble practice, a sincere practice, and you will develop a lot. Every day you are attending the class. I am very happy. Sumit Pawar sir, well done. So you are asked the total of the plastic on this day is what percentage more or less than the metal on Wednesday and Friday? Come on. Your 0 second. So here you have taken some time. Okay, so not to worry. So if I consider the Tuesday and Friday, the plastic Tuesday and Friday, which one is the plastic? So this part, the bigger one, bigger son. And it is Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday, this is figure, and the Friday, which figure is that? So the total is 474. 474. What percentage more or less than the metal chair on Wednesday and Friday? This is metal, Wednesday and Friday. So Wednesday, this is 230, and Friday, this is 230, 440. Am I right? It is 440. So this is more or less, this is more. How much more? 24 more, 34 more over 440. So the remaining is a calculation part. Here you can go with the calculation here, cancel the 0 over here, and with 4 here 1 2 is there, here 1 2 is there. So here with 4 11 times, the rest part is your calculation. I think I slipped the calculation over here. 430 plus 430. So it should be 230 plus 230, 460. If 460, then difference will be, this difference will be different. Then your difference is 14. So, okay, right, your difference is 14 over 460. Okay. So your 460. So in the bottom you are getting 23. So with the bottom 23, multiple options are there. You have to go with the simple little calculation. What is the option? Option choice B. Chandrasekhar Reddy. Shall I check the answer? Answer is C. Answer is C. 3 1 by 23. How do I get it here? Into 100, you can go with that because the answers are given in fraction. Cancel this one, and this gets cancelled with 5 times, and here it is 23 times. So this is 70 by 23. Then I see that this gets cancelled 3 times, and 3 times is 69. So that is your remainder is 1 by 23. That is your answer. So 1 by 23, your option choice C. Okay. Okay, not an issue. Couple of questions will be there. A lengthy calculation will be there, right? Next question on the board is here. So let's work out on DI also. So what is the average average of plastic chair sold on Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday? See that how easy. In the prelim level questions will be easy. Tomorrow also I will give you another set. So your time starts now. Your time starts now. You simply have to find out the average. Yeah, that's right, my young brother, Mr. Subba Reddy. Welcome. So keep attending the class every day on 11 to 12. Okay. So your times started average of plastic of Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. So the plastic, the bigger one, there's plastic. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. That is Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. So simply find out the average of 234, 225 and 240. What is your answer? So 233. Okay, I will not solve this question. I will go with your answer. 233, which is option B. Yeah, that's right, my young friends. Option B. Simply add this, divide it. Or there is an alternate way is there, but it is so simple. Only 3 number, add, divide by 3. Next question on the board is here. Look at this one. The total shares sold on Thursday is what percentage more or less than the total shares sold on Friday? So Thursday, total shares sold on Thursday is what percentage more or less than that sold on Friday? Yes, my friends, your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, answer the question. Learn it. 1 hour, we will practice it. Right? Option C. Okay, Subba Reddy, option C. Pavan, option C. Chandra Kumar Reddy, option C. Let me see that. Is it 0? Yes, it's 0. So you simply added this one, 246 and 570, 470. I notice that this is 470 and there also 470. As both are equal, there's 0% change. Well done. Next question on the board is here, my young friends. Now, this is the last question of this DI. What is the number of metal chairs purchased? Metal chairs purchased by female on Wednesday if the metal chair sold to female to male is 13:10. So, if chairs are sold only to male and female. So, your time starts now. I am sure you will be able to answer this question. So, how many are sold metal on Wednesday? So, this is we are talking about the metal small one on Wednesday. So, that is 230. 230. You get the answer. Your answer is ready. 130. 130. Your option choice is E. Yeah, that's right, my young friends. That's great. That's great. So it is over, and after that, you know that every examination simplification will be there. So here we will discuss some of the same question, same paper. I simply copied it. Now your simplification is here, and your 30 seconds starts. Right. Let's check your speed in simplification. Let's check your speed in simplification. What is the answer? Because that is nothing to explain in this. There's nothing to explain in this. Answer it. Answer it. The options are here. Options are here. Okay, in this particular questions you are taking some time, my young friends. Okay, option D, option D, option A, 9. Let me check that. Your option A, 9. Your option A, 9. Yeah, that's right. Not 13, my young friend. So how do I do it? I don't need to explain anything over here. We need to find out the 35% of this. I will cancel the 0 and 35 into this is my numbers. So 16, 5 is 80, carry 8. And 16, 3 is 48 and 56. Now, when I take this number, so it will get subtracted over here. This is 9 and this 8, 2 and this is 7 and 729 is 7 cube, 9 cube. So, your value should be 9. Option choice A, rightly said. Next question on the board is here. Let's come. So, I am simply taking the RBI previous paper. Answer it now. Answer it now. Because until unless you are not also familiar with this, you will not be able to clear the exam. So 15% of 1500 plus 22.5% of 1000 is what? Okay, 450 for Chandra Kumar Reddy and Subha 450. Let me check that 450 is correct or not. Option choice C 450. Sumit ji, Aman sir. Okay, Anusha, that's right. So here we have nothing to do here. If 15% is there, so multiply this one 225, and here I will cancel the 2 zeros here, and as decimal is there, one more zero. There's also 225, so it comes 450. 450 means option choice C. Next question on the board is here. Yes. Next question on the board is here. Answer it, my friends. What will be the answer? Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Come on. Anyone answering the question? I am looking at the board. Looking at the comment board. Okay. Come on. 7 cube is 343. Aman has says 191. One more answer, 191. So check that. Option A, 191. These are nothing I can explain on this. So only thing I today discussing it is that you have to keep in mind that you have to work out on these areas also. So 343 is here, and we know that this 576 is here, and minus 42 is there here. So if I take out the 42 and this number also, then this is 4 and this is 3 and this is 5, and then take this number. So this is 1 and this is 9 and this is 191. Your option choice 1 is correct. A is correct. So now coming to the next question here. There were 10 questions actually. There were 10 questions. I only picked up the 8 questions. So what is your answer here? Your time starts now. Practice a little bit of the simplification also. All are the very easy. You see that 40% is there, so you will be cancelling this one. So you get the other number. So I will not solve this question. I will follow your answer. So okay, the WhatsApp number. I think the Anusha is giving her WhatsApp number. Okay. Now the option is D, Delhi. Yeah, that's right, sir. That's right. Now moving on to the next question. Next question. Your time starts now. Answer it. I will not solve it because I know you people know it, how to do it. Yes, Sumit Pawarji. So we have to increase the pace on this. I am not solving this one. You please do it. Option D. Sumit Pawar says option D. Okay. How do I do it? I will solve this one. First, 4 minus 2 is 2. And here that is 1 by and plus. Here plus. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Which is 6. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. So I get this as that's 2 1 by 6. Let me check that. That's 5 by 6. 2 5 by 6. When I take the 2 5 by 6 the other side, so I left with 1 by 6. Option choice A. Option choice C. So this is 6 and this is 3 1. Achha, okay. So this is 1. So if this is 1, then take out the 2 from here, you left with 1. So from 1, if you take out 1 by 6, you will be getting the 5 by 6 here as your answer. Okay, moving to the next question. I was previously answered that. Okay, thank you, my young friend. Sumit sir, the next question is here. Only 8 questions. I will not solve it. You just solve this question. I will check the answer. Because there is nothing to explain. You people are so smart. So I know that first off, even if you go for off, you are getting 12 over here, you are getting 3 over here. Do it. I will check your answer. Check your speed. Aman has first answered the question, that is 10. Option B. No, that's right. Option B is correct. So no, Mr. Sheikh. It is 10, sir. 10. Look at this one. That is 7 3 is 21. And 21 minus this 21 minus 11, which is 10. So 10 means my option choice B. Okay, the next question, I will not solve this, but here you should know the technique for this question. Your time start now. Now here you should know the technique for this question. So this unit digit is 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 4 2 is 8, and this 10 digit is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 2 is 8, and this 100th digit is 1, 2, and 3. So 3 2 is 6. Finish the answer. Answer this question, my young friend. It is your time now. No, Subba Reddy is saying option E. Option E. Finish this one. Option E. Pawan says option E. Just check your speed. I am not answering this question. Sarath Pawar, option E. That's right, sir. Option E. Moving to the next question here. There is only, and after that, again the arithmetic question starts. After this question, here, just simply answer this question. I wanted to let you know that we need to have a speed in this simplification also, or else we will not clear the exam. Now, here is the question, 80% of this. So cancel this one. 8 5 is 40. I am getting 400 minus something minus something else. So I don't need to explain further. Now Chandra Kumar Reddy rightly said option E. Option E. Shall I check the answer? Aman has also said, and let me check the answer. Option E is correct. Option E is correct. So the next question on the board here. Come on, my friends. Next question on the board here. I am sure you will be able to answer the question. And what is your answer? Even I don't need to give the time. Sumit Pawar says 20. Sumit Pawar says 20. Let me 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 3 3 1, and here 750 is there. So 571. What is 571? Option C. No, sir. Option B. 581 it is showing. Okay, let me check that. 581. That's right. That's right. Subba Reddy. 581. 581. Chandra Kumar Shekhar. That's right. Moving to the next question, sir. And is here. Here you can answer the question. I am not giving any clue here. You people are sufficient. These questions are easy. But you have to maintain the pace in these questions. Come on, my friends. So Vamsi, come on. So you know that this is 9 and this is 5. So nothing to do over here. Answer it. Option A. Option A. That's Shekhar. Option A is right. So nicely you people answer the question. One more question here. Look at this part. Now answer it. Your 30 seconds starts now. Yes, yes, my friends. Well done. Now this question here. Now after that there will be 5 questions. 1 or 2 question is there of the simplification. So how do I do this part? I notice that this is nothing but 30. So here plus 30 minus 30 gets cancelled. You get the answer? You got the answer? Come on. Any one of my friends? So many people are there on the board. Anyone got the answer? 581. 581. No, it's not this question answer. Come on. Vamsi. Option E. Anyone else? Anyone else? Come on. 270, 270, option E. That's right, my young brothers. Next question is on the board here. Look at this one. Your time starts now. There's only this last question. After that, again, the arithmetic 5 questions are there. Okay, come on. What is the answer for this? So how do I answer this question here? So first I will go for the division here. So I notice that the division is nothing but 11 here, and the division is nothing but 9 here. The rest part you know. Come on, answer the question. 33. Chandrasekhar is the first one to answer it. Chandra Kumar Reddy, and then Mr. Sheikh, Aman, and Subba Reddy. Let's check that option A is right. Option A, 33 is the answer. Yes, 33 is the answer. Now comes the arithmetic question. Come on here. The area of the rectangle is a 360 square centimeter, and the difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle is 9 centimeter. So if the breadth I consider x, then length will be x plus 6, x plus 9. So x plus 9, because length will be greater than, so this is breadth and this is length. The next one, it says, if the breadth of the rectangle is equal to the side of the square, then find the perimeter of the square. I have the area of the rectangle. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, my young friends. There's a wonderful way we can discuss. 2023 should be yours. Must be yours. Come on. So area is there. That means x into x plus 9, L into B, which is equal to 360 is already there. That means you are getting here, that is x square plus 9x minus 360, which is equal to 0. So from here you get the x, and from there you get the breadth of the rectangle. Once you get the x, you can find out the perimeter of the square. Come on, my friends, answer it. Answer it. Anyone? So B60, you are saying the B60. Okay. Subba Reddy Chalabajas now. That's right, sir. Anyone else? One more answer, I will respond to it. Okay, let me check the Subba Reddy's answer, correct or not. Yes, option B, Subba Reddy. Now, here you will find that by trial and method, you will find that there is 24 and 15. Yeah, it's 360, and then the difference of these two is 9. And you know that the first sign will always changes. The plus will become minus, and the minus the greater number 24. And here the plus changes the next sign, that is plus, and the smaller number 15. So this is your x value. X value is 15. So once x value is 15, so it is said that the breadth is nothing but 15. So breadth of the rectangle is equal to side of the square. You need to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is 4a, and where a is 15, then 4a is 60. It's done? Done? Okay, Subba Reddy. Thank you, sir. So this is how we answer the question. These all are the RBA 2020 assistant prelim exam. So look at this one. A and B invested in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. They both invested for 12 months. If the total profit is 1,000, then find the profit of B. So simple question. Your time starts now. Answer it. Answer it. It's a so direct question. There's nothing to think about it. Yeah, that's right, 4,000, option A. Let me check that. Option A, 4,000 is right. So because we already know that the both of them has invested for 12 months, the capital ratio is profit and loss ratio. So the total is 1,000. I should not ask this question to you actually, but it was there in the previous paper, so I am discussing it. Then find the profit of B. The profit of B is 2 parts out of 5 parts. So then it comes how much? 4,000. Its total is 10,000. So it is 4,000, and rightly said 4,000, option A. Next question on the board is here. Look at this one. So Rahul alone and Chetan alone can finish a work in 3 hours and 5 hours respectively. Now find the time taken by both of them together to complete twice of the work. So it's a hardly 10-second question, but still try this, my young friends. Try this, come on. After that, one more question. With that, we will conclude the class. Yes. So you know AB by A plus B formula. Option B. Pawan is saying that option B. 3 by 4. 3 by 4, option B. Shall I check the answer? So everyone answer the question. Option B is correct. So you know that AB by A plus B is the together can complete the work. So that is 3 into 5 by 3 plus 5, which is 8. I need the twice of the work, 2 times of the work. So that's what your answer is. Here it is 4, and 15 by 4 is nothing but that's 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 by 4. And your option choice is B, 3 by 4, rightly said. And the last question of the class is this one. And tomorrow I will bring some difficult questions. Okay, all I wanted to just show that clerk prelim level what type of question comes. But tomorrow I will bring some different level. Now here 36 liter of water and 30 liter of juice is mixed, and then 50% mixture is taken out, and a liter of juice is added again, and the ratio of the water to juice become 3:5. Find the value of A. Your time starts now. And with this question, we will conclude the class. Come on, my young friends. Don't worry, I know that today all the questions were easy questions. Basic question, not a moderate level, basic question. But this was a previous paper. Tomorrow I will bring the different paper where you have to spend some time to answer the question. Now, Vamsi answered it. Vamsi answered it. Is it option B? Are you talking about option B here? Okay, Chandra Kumar Reddy. Come on, I am just waiting. How do I answer the question here? This 36 liter is water and juice is how much? 30 liter. So let's take that water by juice. This is how we write this one. 36 by 30. Write down this one. So half of 50% of mixture is taken out. So 36 will become 18 and here it is juice 13 will become 15. And then what it is done, the A liter of juice is added. You are adding the A liter of juice and this has become 3:5 ratio. That's over. That's over. Option A. Option A, let me check that. That's right. That's right. Option A. Wonderfully, today you finish the entire paper with a very reasonable time. So the rest part is a cancellation over here. This gets cancelled 6 times 30 and A is equal to 15. Anywhere 15 is there. So option choice A. Rightly answer the question. So we discussed all the 70 questions. We discussed all the questions of the RBI clerk prelim of 2020. And so fast you people have answered the question. Tomorrow I will bring some different level of question. So please join me tomorrow at 11 a.m. Once again. Thank you very much. We keep practicing it in the same way. On behalf of ACE online team, I wish you all the best and see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Thank you.